English together.
Ordering catering food.
Let's take care of the catering order for the party. We want to make sure John's party is really special.
Definitely. The most important thing is getting the food right. What do you think we should order?
Hello, how can I assist you today? Are you looking to order catering for an event?
Yes, that's right. We're planning a birthday party for 15 guests, and it's this Sunday at 7 p.m.
Great, let's get started. What kind of food were you thinking of for the party?
Well, since it's a birthday celebration, we'd love to have some finger foods. Something that everyone can enjoy.
Okay, I have some wonderful suggestions for that. Our mini sandwiches, bite-sized appetizers, and skewers are always a big hit at parties. They're perfect for sharing, and guests can try a variety of flavors.
That sounds perfect. And what about dessert? We'd like to have something sweet to finish off the meal.
For dessert, I'd recommend our mini cheesecakes or cupcakes. They're the ideal size for a party, and everyone loves a little something sweet.
Oh, the mini cheesecakes sound delicious. Can we do a mix of those and the cupcakes?
Absolutely, that would be a great combination. Now for the drinks, do you have any preferences?
We'd love to have some options. Maybe some soda and lemonade for the non-alcoholic choices.
Sounds good. And do you want to include any alcoholic beverages as well?
I'm not sure. What would you recommend for a birthday party like this?
Well, a selection of beer and wine is always a nice option to have, in case some of the guests would like an adult drink. But of course, the non-alcoholic choices are perfect for everyone to enjoy.
Okay, let's go with the soda, lemonade, and a beer selection. That should cover all our bases.
Excellent choice.
If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends so that more people can get to know about it. Thank you for your support.
Now, let's talk about quantities. For 15 guests, I'd suggest ordering 5 to 8 pieces of finger food per person, 3 to 5 dessert pieces per person, and 2 to 3 drink servings per person. Does that sound about right?
That sounds perfect. And what's our budget per person?
Well, with the menu you've chosen, I'd recommend a budget of around $30 per person. That should give you a great variety of food and drinks within your desired price range.
Okay, great. That works for us.
One more thing. We have one guest with a nut allergy. Can you make sure none of the dishes contain nuts?
Absolutely. We'll make a note of that and ensure everything is nut-free. Now, let me put together a detailed catering package for you, and we can finalize the details.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. We're really looking forward to this party.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.